Welcome along, people, to another one of my little videos. It was a very, very extraordinarily exciting day today. Today I shall be having my first fit of my new suit, and at the end of the video you should be able to see what my suit looks like. So it's first fit and reveal. Roll those intros.
So this is first fit. The lining is not finished and the armour has not been fitted as yet. Right. Oh, you know what you're doing, don't you?
Well, it's only taken me 27 years.
Well, you got the knack.
Side on. So now it's hand straight out in front of you. This is exactly where we are on that. And then that is. So glove wise, again, I want a nice close fit to the collar, which I'm really happy with that. It's sitting really nicely around there. There's not a lot of. This will have a zip in it. Yep. You see, this all the safety part. Put that in there, and then because what I want is this going to be the thickest. It is, isn't it? That you're going to wear. No. So I can just. I think I guessed this last time. So it's only a bit of
cool.
Change. Just one more thing. Just turn around. I'll just arms in front of you, and then down side. Right.
You're not going to make me do the birdie song, are you?
No, all good. I'm happy.
Cool. Right, as I said at the start of the video, today was going to be first fit. That's the bit you just seen. And reveal.
And it's time for you to stop talking, Mert. So this is the grand reveal.
As if by magic. It is.
So here we are, your new suit. Now, we want it to feel like a second skin. So you should be feeling it everywhere and kind of nowhere. So we do it all up.
It's really, really hot.
We have got the winter lining in at the moment, so with everything in, we kind of want a nice close fit, so everything's fitting nice. So we've got a nice closure around the neck, and that's fitting in. I'm going to get full up with air, we're fitting nicely. And bend into the arm.
Yeah, I'm not found, Poofy.
That's it, I'm checking that that armour is okay. And then do the same again. Lovely. So, as you're stood there, I mean it's looking mighty fine. We need to check the gloves are going to fit.
Yep. Sealed. Gloves fit nicely.
Got all of the check. And then we'll just check if you can sit down into the knees.
I'll be down here.
There we go. And the knees are all sitting in the right place for your long legs.
Yes. Does my bum look big in this? No pockets here. There's pockets on the leg. Bit of grey. Actually fit me long legs. Bit of leather on the inside.
And you look like you've lost 4 stone in weight.
Yeah. I don't feel like I've lost 4 stone in weight. But yeah, this suit feels odd, if I'm honest. But like we said earlier, because the other suit clearly
didn't fit anywhere. Didn't touch you anywhere.
No.
So this should feel, you should be feeling it everywhere.
Yeah, yeah.
And what you then do is you then wear it enough to bed it in for it to become yours.
So it will give.
It will give them all, because the whole inside there is this whole Kevlar layer,
Yeah.
and that's the bit that you need to sort of beat up and make yours.
Yeah.
But it won't take you long.
Yeah, cool. Well, I'm going to do some close-ups later on. I'm not going to waste too much of Kate's time. I'll show you the finer details of all Kate's
That's it.
fantastic work. This is Chad's logo, obviously, on here. My mate Chad wanted to know what was written on here.
There we go.
Oh look, it's that.
Well, I think just having, you know, just the yellow just makes it pop.
Absolutely. Yes, all the stitching's yellow. We were going to try and have yellow panelling, but you said that the yellow panelling...
So the fluorescent yellow will never last.
No.
It doesn't last.
No.
You know, so the best thing to do is to wear fluorescent yellow over the top.
See all the little points that you were pointing out, measuring and marking my elbows and my knees and everything This is 12 weeks earlier, and Kate is marking the places on the knees of the jeans and on the elbows of the jacket and the various other points of interest to Kate, just to make sure that everything fits as it should and the body armour would be in place when I'm sitting on the bike today. Yeah, everything is just where it should be. I've had jackets before now that have kind of folded up.
Yeah.
I'm not folding up.
No.
You say that bit round the back is just where it needs to be.
Yeah. Brilliant.
Chuffed. Well chuffed. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks fab. Yeah, so it just picks up all those little
bits. Yeah, in case you hadn't noticed, the stitching's yellow. Well, there you go. The suit has been revealed. Thanks ever so much to Kate and Hideout Leather. I am exceptionally pleased and very comfortable and very happy in my new suit. It only leaves one thing for me to do, and that is to ride off down the road into the sunset, as it were. Thanks ever so much to everybody if you've stuck around and watched the video to this point, and if you've watched all 3 of the videos, the learning about motorcycle clothing, and that's what brought me to Hideout Leather in the first place. The discussion as to what my suit was going to be was the second video, and the third video, clearly this one, the reveal video. I'm really pleased. So yeah, thanks ever so much for watching this one and being part of the process, because a lot of people have made comments. Thanks ever so much. If you've liked this one, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, please leave it a thumbs down. Don't forget to ding dong the notification bell, and that way you'll never ever ever miss another episode here on The Mad Leprechaun. Thanks ever so much for watching, people. Take care. Bye bye.